I'm Midshipman Sampayan Christopher. Today I will discuss to you the shipping dangerous goods. The Dangerous Goods Code has been created as per the recommendations of the United Nations Panel of Experts on the Transportation of Hazardous Goods along with the IMO, or International Maritime Organization. This proposal by the UN was presented as a report in the year 1956, after which the IMO IMDG code was started to be drafted in the year 1961. Shipping dangerous goods is a very tricky business. This is why, to avoid complications or problem while categorizing the aspect and level of dangers, there is a set of classification for dangerous goods. There are 9 clauses in which the dangerous goods are classified. The dangerous goods labels and dangerous goods certificate for the cargo are issued as per the 9 clauses which are explained. Classification 1 is for explosives. The same classification has 6 subdivisions for materials which pose a high explosive risk, low explosive risk, to name a few. Classification 2 is for gases. The clause has 3 subcategories that talk about gases that are highly inflammable, that are not inflammable, and gases that neither inflammable nor toxic. Classification 3 is for liquids and has no subdivisions. Classification 4 is for solids. There are 3 subcategories that deal with highly combustible solids, self-reactive solids, and solids that when interact with water could emit toxic gases. Classification 5 is for substances that have the chances of oxidation. Classification 6 for all kinds of substances that are toxic and that could prove to be infective. Classification 7 is specifically for materials that are radioactive. Classification 8 is for materials that face the threat of corrosion and erosion. Classification 9 is for those substances that cannot be classified under any of the above heads but still are dangerous goods.